Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into what might just be the best wall-mounted weight bench available.
It's the Mikolo 2.36 inches by 2.36 inches folding wall-mounted squat rack, and trust me, it's a game-changer for any home gym enthusiast. Now, what sets this rack apart?
Let's break it down. First off, its space-saving design is unparalleled. With just 15 seconds, you can effortlessly switch between storage and use, making it perfect for those with limited space. Plus, when folded, it measures a mere 47 inches x 6 inches x 85.8 inches, maximizing your floor space for other activities.
But don't let its compact size fool you. This rack is built like a tank. Constructed with 60 by 60 mm 13-gauge steel uprights and coated with textured powder paint for a secure grip, it can support up to a whopping 1,000 pounds of weight. Whether you're into squats, deadlifts, or bench presses, this rack has your back, literally.
Now, let's talk accessories. The Mikolo folding squat rack comes with a quick attach pull-up bar that reaches 89 off the ground, giving you plenty of room for an enhanced stretch. Plus, the J-cups feature UHMW plastic inserts to protect your bar and knurling, ensuring a smooth lifting experience every time. And let's not forget the 360 degrees dual-size T-bar row attachment, which accommodates both Olympic and normal training bars. Talk about versatility. Worried about installation? Fear not. Mikolo has you covered.
With no complicated installations or tools needed, you can have this rack mounted on your wall in just 15 to 30 minutes. And with stringer and metal studs included, the process is as straightforward as it gets. So there you have it, folks, the Mikolo folding squat rack. With its space-saving design, heavy-duty construction, and array of accessories, it's truly the ultimate wall-mounted weight bench for any home gym enthusiast.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy lifting!